Welcome to Munchkin Storytime. The title of this story is
There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many children and animals too. Bertha, Martha, Sky and Bob, Eric, Edith, Esme, Pob, John, Jane, Jack and Jill, Kai, Rosa, and Baby Bill. There was an old woman who lived in a shoe, and when the children were hungry, she made them a stew with potatoes and coconut and carrots and peas, and she kissed them all lovingly when they said, "More, please." There was an old woman who lived in a shoe, and when the car broke down, they rode anew. They all held tight, sitting side by side, and she kissed them all lovingly at the end of the ride. There was an old woman who lived in a shoe, and when the clothes got tatty, she'd mend and make do. What fabulous clothes, such colorful cloth, and she kissed them all lovingly when they showed them off. There was an old woman who lived in a shoe, and when the furniture broke, she stuck it with glue, and hammered and nailed and screwed here and there, and she kissed them all lovingly from her wobbly chair. There was an old woman who lived in a shoe, and some days were just a big hullabaloo. So much noise, what a messy muddle, but all was made better by a big soft cuddle. I love you. The end.